Pickleball makes its way to Butler University, but it might not be scoring well with some students, especially those who live and park here at Apartment Village.
A pickleball court wasn't really the best solution instead of using that space for parking spots.
Junior and resident of Apartment Village, Sarah Mangan, is not a huge fan of the new pickleball courts. Construction for the new courts began in May and were set to be completed in July, but
right now there's no nets on the courts, so I can't play even if I wanted to.
The courts are located behind the Selleck Bowl in the Apartment Village parking lot. According to the Vice President for Student Affairs, Dr. Frank Ross, the courts took over visitor parking spots, so there is no loss of parking for students as a result of this project. But students are still claiming parking remains challenging.
In the evening, it's really hard to find a parking spot, and I end up driving around for 15 minutes just trying to find one spot.
The entrances to the courts are chained shut and multiple closed signs are posted. There is not a date set for when the courts will open or have nets. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Jade Eilers.